In addition to the stimulation of steam wells using the PENTA technology, it is very important that the pipelines that carry the oil from the well to the oil collector or separator tank be free of obstructions, since they generate a counterpressure which lowers pump performance and oil production. With this technology, it is very easy to keep the pipelines and ducts clear of paraffins and asphaltenes that reduce the internal diameter of the pipes greatly, reducing the productivity of the well. Simply connect the steam hose of the machine to the tree of the well by means of a quick coupling. And in less than 5 minutes, all the pipelines and valves will be perfectly clean and free of paraffins and asphaltenes, since the high pressure and temperature steam sweeps all paraffin, asphaltenes, and some soluble carbonates towards the exit of the separator storage tank. This, like the stimulation of the well, is a cyclic work, and depending on the production you get every day, it should be repeated at regular intervals to keep the production of each well on top.